do you see this?
Yes, Mataji.
Wait,
But Mataji,
is
can you
that a
spot?
paper crane?
Oh, the origami craft.
Yeah. Do you, okay, I didn't send it in the group, right? Okay, you know what? How many of you have papers with you? Just let me know so that we can do it maybe at the end. Paper and
Mataji, how many papers? Mataji, how many papers do we need?
just one or
Mataji,
two.
please
You know
spotlight
what?
yourself because whenever someone speaks, they are coming on the screen.
Oh, is it? Okay, I
Okay,
hope.
now you're spotlighted.
Okay. So you know what? What we can do is we can either have.
Mataji, I put the speaker view.
Mataji, I put the speaker view. I spotlight you.
Thank you so much, Balavrinda. What would I do without you? Okay, you know what? What we can do? Don't worry if you do not have a paper. Anything is okay. See, I have a glaze paper. I had a origami paper, but I couldn't find it. But this glaze paper I feel is more convenient because it has two sides, a craft paper or a glaze paper, whatever we call it. Okay.
Mataji,
Yes.
it's me, Krishnana. I just joined. What are we doing?
Yeah, we're just joining, Krishna Lena. See, what we are going to do is either we'll just need a plain paper, okay, a normal printer paper. If you do not have a craft paper, okay, we do not mean a chart paper, a normal craft paper. A normal craft paper will do, or a normal printer paper will do, or you know what? I just did this with a normal notebook paper also. Okay, so don't worry if you do not have anything specific. You can either have a normal notebook paper, or you can have a printer paper, or if you have a craft paper, that is also okay. So no need to have anything specific. Whatever you have is
Mataji,
okay for us. Yes,
Mataji, how many you made that with one paper or two?
this is just with one paper. This is just with one paper. Okay.
Mataji, that looks like a bird.
Yeah, this is
Yes,
a bird.
Mataji, what is it?
It's a bird. You can find it out. Does
Oh,
it not look like a bird?
It looks
Does it
like
look
a
like?
bird. That's what
Yes,
I'm saying.
Mataji.
Yeah, it's a hummingbird.
I mean, bird.
Yeah, it's just normal bird will also do. Okay. So, okay. Just a little bit behind so that you can see me properly. Okay, see. So what we will do is you can just have your things ready. What we'll do is we will do a little bit of our revision. Then we will come back to our craft. How about that?
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, so we'll do first with our revision part. And then, okay.
Mataji, is it okay if we have a square paper?
Yes, we will have to do it into a square. Now see, this is a this is not a square, right? So I will tell you the trick how you should make it a square. Okay. Okay, you know what we can do is first we'll make a square of all our pages and keep it. Okay. So see, now I have this as just a paper, or you have your printer paper with you, but it is not a square, right? So how can we make it into a square? We are going to make a triangle out of it. See, just fold the paper like this, so that, see, these are to just fold the paper in such a way that,
Mataji,
yes,
like you make a teleporter, like you just make a square first and then you just cut off the extra parts. Then it turns
yeah,
into a
see,
square.
see, if you just make it like this, edge over edge, just like a cone, I'll show you. Okay, see, take it lightly, take it.
I already know.
Yeah, so some of you who do not know, see, just fold this paper edge over edge, and there should be some remaining paper over here, and then this will be edge over edge. See, these are two sides which will be folded one above the other, and then this line over here. So this which is remaining is the extra paper. Okay.
Mataji, is it like this? This is Shubhadra.
Yes, it's like that. Yes.
Like
Subhadra,
this,
are you getting
Mataji?
it?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
This
Wonderful.
is Shubhadra.
Yeah.
Subhadra and Giridhar.
Subhadra and Girdhar.
Is this how you do it?
Who is that?
Krishna
Let
Nena.
me.
Don't put her, just do not
Okay,
tell
Krishna.
him. Oh,
Krishna.
Bala.
Brinda. Balavrinda, you made it into a
Hare Krishna,
triangle. See.
Mataji, I just joined.
Yeah, hi Krishna. Can you make a square paper? Can you get a yes, Krishna Nana, that is good.
I'll do the ribbon.
I didn't do it like that. After you do like this, when you open it, it will be like a
Yeah,
square.
Balavrinda, yours is a perfect square, okay? So see, I will
Mataji,
tell
can
you
you
how
wait for me to get the scissors, Mataji?
okay, you can get a scissor. Or
Wait,
else, you know what, when we do
Then you can do that too.
yeah, listen kids, when it is origami, you do not need a scissor. So what do we do, you know? You just fold this extra part of the paper and then you do it like this and you do it like this. You keep on doing the edges sharp.
Mataji has this.
When you're doing an origami, you do not need a scissor. So just do it sharp, sharp, sharp. And then what happens is, if you just rip it a little bit, it just along that line, you can just cut it out. See? You do not need a scissor then. If you want to use a scissor to be more perfect, you can do that also. Okay? Subhadra.
It doesn't come out.
What's the step? Mataji, what's the step?
Yeah, Rishikesh, that's perfect. So what we do is, you know, we are going to make a square. If you have a paper which is not square, now see, I've taken this craft paper.
Is it like this?
Yes, Krishna, that's perfect. See, if you have a paper which you know that this looks like a rectangle and I want to make it into a square, what I'm going to do is, see who joined now. For them, I'm showing again. You are going to,
What are? I didn't. Mataji, what's the steps?
okay, see, who is this?
This is Giri Dari.
Okay, Giridhari. See, you take a paper. If it is a perfect square, it is good. If it is not a perfect square, for origami, we will need a perfect square. So what are we going to do is,
Mataji, I made a square. It's not exactly that perfect.
Like this,
try to
Mataji?
make it a
Is this
perfect
good, Mataji?
square.
Mataji, is this type of square good?
Yes, yes. I will tell you how to identify a proper square. Okay, see, I'll tell you. When you take a paper, okay, and you try to make a triangle, does this look like a triangle to you?
No.
No.
Works.
Does this look like a triangle to you?
Yes.
Yes. So what happens is, when you take a paper, you have to put it like this. That means one edge of the paper over the other edge properly aligned. Okay.
Like this, Mataji?
Yes. When you have it properly aligned,
Like
if
this,
it is not very good, Balavrinda. Very
Like
good,
this,
Prahlad.
But I just showing you.
Very good, Subhadra. Yeah, Giridhari, now listen what we are going to do. Very nice, Rudra. See, what we are going to do is, this
Mataji,
is the
can I give
extra.
everybody a tip in cutting it? Like,
1 second, I'll tell them. See, when this is a remaining paper which is there, okay? Ideally, you would take a scissor and cut it out, okay? But I will tell you one thing. If you have to do, and if you tell someone that I'm doing origami, and if you use a scissor, they will say that no, 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 you are not using origami. Because in origami, you do not use a scissor, okay? So what do you do?
You just bend that, and then when it's bended, you rip that off.
Yes.
Right?
So what you do is you just bend it along the edges. Okay. See, along the edges, if you just bend it, again, make it into a sharp. How do you make it sharp edges? Remember, in origami, whenever you're doing, you need sometimes very sharp edges. So just go on doing this.
Mataji, when you do that, you should fold it backwards and do it too, so it
Yes.
has a
Sorry,
sharper.
I got it the half, Mataji.
Yeah. So then just to take it off, and then
Mataji.
if you just 1 second, okay, if you just start ripping it off, it will come off. If you are not comfortable, just use a scissor, okay? Slowly you will get comfortable with it. See, you can just use the
Mataji
scissors.
did not do that step.
Mataji, what
Mataji.
do we do next?
Mataji, this is
Okay, we have to
Akshita. I
wait
just
for
joined.
everyone.
What are
right?
we doing?
I'll tell you what are we doing. Okay, first let us make into a perfect square.
We're making a bird.
Origami bird.
Yes, origami bird. Okay, see,
Okay, a
we
bird.
have this now with us, everyone.
Yes, Mataji, I have my
Yes,
square.
Mataji.
Okay, now what we are going to do is, see, I have two papers with me. I have kept it. So now first,
Okay, I can do it for you.
what we did is we did the first step of making a square. So we will go back with our slides. We will do some revision. And then when we are a little bit more tired, we can come back to our origami. Is that okay?
Yes, Mataji.
For now, Mataji, you just
Yes, Mataji. Mataji.
So just as of now, we have just made a square. Okay, a perfect
Mataji,
square.
actually my paper is already a square.
Yeah, if it is already a square, then no worries to make it. So how do you find out if your paper is already a square? Just make it into a triangle like this and it should be a perfect triangle. See? Okay. See, now I have another paper. If I try to make it into a triangle by putting one edge over the other, see, it is not. See, if I put it like this also, do you feel this is a triangle?
Mataji,
No, it is
that
not
looks
a
a bit
triangle.
like a pentagon.
Yeah, so this is a perfect triangle. So if you have any paper, okay, for a matter, any paper, I mean, if you have a newspaper also, if you fold it one above the other into a triangle, if it is not a perfect triangle, then you will have to make it into a perfect triangle, which we showed like this, okay? Cut off the extra edges and then this is a perfect square.
Like this, Mataji.
Yes, Balavrina, you can open it now. And then it is a perfect square. Rishikesh, it is good.
Mataji,
Tanvi,
this
did you
is
get it?
Shubhadra showing. I made
Yes,
a triangle
Subhadra,
and
very
I made
nice.
it
Just
into a square, Mataji.
yeah, very nice. Just help out Giridhari a little bit.
Square,
Very good, Mataji.
Mataji.
Very good, Subhadra. Very nice, Ojasvi.
Square, Mataji.
Yes, Man
Mataji.
Krishna. That is a perfect square. Wonderful.
Mataji, this is Akshita. Mine is already a square.
Very good. Akshata, where are you? But I cannot see you.
My video is on. I'm raising my hand also.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Wonderful, Akshita. Wonderful. Okay, so we have done our square. We are going to keep it. Then we will revise some verses and then we'll come back. Okay. Okay, so before we do anything, we'll start with our prayers. Everyone together.
Om Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Rama, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Mataji, you're frozen.
Got disconnected. We can wait for Mataji. Okay. We are doing revision from
She's still here.
Vrunda.
Yeah.
Why are you doing this? Okay, Mataji came back. Mataji came back.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think today a little bit disturbance in my internet. Okay, just bear with me. You all can see this, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so what we will do is we will do our revisions and we will have again. I'll just have you.
Mataji's internet is bad.
Yeah, I cannot hear her. I can just see her screen.
And her screen is also not moving.
It's not responding.
Wait, is Mataji? Yeah, she's there.
We can just wait.
Mataji, Mataji. And fast Mataji.
Mataji, is your internet okay? This is the
Mataji,
second time you glitch.
Mataji, we cannot hear you. Well,
No,
I
my
cannot hear you.
internet is a problem.
Now we can.
Now I can hear you.
Can you see me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute.
Yes,
because-
Mataji.
Okay, what I'm going to do is 1 minute, okay? I am going to just send this to Vinaya Mataji, my slide. So in case I am getting off, she will be. One second, okay? Just give me 1 minute. It's only today that I forgot to send it to her.
Mataji, we can hear you and we can see you.
Yeah, 1 second, okay? I'll just share the slides with Mataji so that she can at least screen it.
Mataji. Mataji, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. Benita Gandarika Mataji? Yeah, I've sent it to her. No worries now. So what we can do is
Rama, Rama.
can you see these slides now?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Okay, so we will start with our revision, okay? We had,
Okay, Mataji.
yeah, Balavrinda, Subhadra Giridhari, Akshita. Can you start with 2.40?
Yes, Mataji. Neha Mataji, can I go? This is Keshavi.
No, Mataji is rough and her internet connection is gone. We can wait.
Yeah,
for
she's frozen now again.
you say the sloka?
Mataji, can I frozen?
Yes, you can say Akshita. You can say Akshita while Mataji's coming.
Yeah. Yes, you can say Neha Vikrama. Akshita.
Okay, Mataji. Neha Vikramanasosti Pratyavayo na vidyate Swalpamapyasya dharmasya Trayate mahato bayat.
Thank you. Keshav, you can go ahead and say.
Mataji, can Mukund.
Mataji,
Keshavi.
I want to go for the next sloka.
Okay, Vyavasayatmika Buddhi.
Mataji,
Can you do it without seeing?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, good job.
Mataji can Subhadra.
Yes, Subhadra. Let she finish. Okay, let she finish and then you can do it. Keshavi, do it. Vyavasayatmika Buddhi.
Yeah, Haribol Mataji, I'm there.
Okay, Mataji, no problem.
Mataji, I've sent you the slides on mail. If at all something happens, you can have that. And then 4 kids.
And
Okay.
Mataji.
Okay. Mataji is saying that 4 kids at a time. So who all wanted to say Neha Vikramanasosthi? First we will do that. Who all wanted to say 4 kids?
It is Balavrinda, Subhadra Giridhari, Rishikesh, and who Akshita.
Nandini Mataji.
Can Mukund
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, okay, you know what did I tell? You can hear me now?
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji.
Yeah, so Balavrinda, Subhadra Giridhari, Rishikesh, and Akshita. Can you go with the verse?
Okay, Mataji. Neha
अचलपमपि यस्यास् धर्मस्य त्रायते महारायात्. Mataji, can Mukund say?
Yes,
Can
Mukund.
Nandini
Go
say,
ahead.
Mataji?
Yes, yes. One second. Mukund, Rai Prahalad, and Nandini, Rishikesh can go.
Which sloka?
Neha Vikrama only, right? First, after we finish
Okay.
everybody, then we will go another sloka.
Okay, Mataji. Neha
स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्.
Very good, very good. Okay, then can you raise down your hands if you are done? So then I know who all are not done, okay? Okay, very good. Now Subhadra Giridhari, Ojashwi, and okay, two more people raised hand. Okay, they both can do Neha Vikrama.
Subhadra Giridhari is done, Mataji. Anirudh, Deepak, Josh, and Keshavi can go then.
Okay, okay, Mataji.
What shloka, Mataji?
Mataji,
2.40.
Mataji,
Okay, Mataji.
Mataji, can I do chapter 2 and text 41? I wanted to say that one. Plus
Yeah,
the
after we have done with 2.40, then we can go to 2.41, okay?
Neha Vikrama
All of Okay, Rudra, did you say?
No, I don't know the shloka, Mataji.
Rudra, okay. Those who do not know the shloka, can you repeat after me?
Okay.
Okay, all those who do feel that the pronunciations are a bit difficult, you can repeat after me, okay? If I get cut off, then you can repeat after Vinita Gandharika Mataji, okay? Neha Vikramana Sosti Pratyavayo na vidyate
Pratyavayo na vidyate
Yasya dharmasya
dharmasya
Rayate mahato bhayat.
mahato bhayat.
Very good. Tanvik, Vikyat, Anirudh, and Krishna Nena. Can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji. Neha Vikramasosti Pratyavayo Navidyate Swalpamapyasya Dharmasya Rayate Mahato Bhayat.
Very good. Suraj, Vrinda, and who is left? Manmai Krishna, Dhruba. Can you say this verse together?
Yes.
Neha
Vikramana sosti ya pratyavayo na vidyate swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mato bhayat.
Very good.
Mataji, I need to go for
Okay, once you're done, you can come back. Okay, Mukund?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. Okay, so Subhadra, Balram, sister Subhadra, did you say this verse? Subhadra? Did you say this verse, Subhadra?
No, Mataji. Mataji, can I say the chapter 2 and text 41? This
Yeah,
is Keshavi.
After this, we'll go to the chapter 2.41 verse, okay? After this
Oh,
is the don't worry.
Oh, I thought we're doing that.
Yeah. So, yeah, go ahead, Subhadra.
I don't know the shloka.
Okay, did you repeat after me then? Okay, anybody who is not knowing the shloka, please repeat after me. You know what? On the Sunday presentation, when you have all the kids on the call, you recite all the verses that you have learned in the week, right? So if you can recite what the verses you have learned in the Govinda group, in the Damodar group, or in the Friday group also, it will be so nice. So we'll do a revision today, okay? Neha big. Everybody can say it together now. Can Subhadra? I want to see you saying. Rayate mahat
त्रायते महतो भयात्
Again, same time. Neha bikramana sosti pratyavayo na vidyate Svalpamasya dharmasya Rayate mahato bhayat. Very good. Vikhyat, can you read the translation for us?
Sure, Mataji. In this endeavor, there is no loss or diminution, and a little advancement in this path can protect one from the most dangerous type of fear.
Thank you so much. So everybody is done with this verse?
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, can I?
Okay. Any do we want to try it without looking once?
Mataji.
Can you all start?
Neha
Abhikramanasosti pratyavayo na vidyate svapamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat.
Bhayat.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hi Krishna. So some of you did not say this verse. Krishna Nena, are you done with this verse or no? Done?
Yes, Mataji.
Can I say the verse without looking, Mataji?
Yes, yes. Go ahead. You want to say it or you said it without looking?
Say it without looking.
Yes.
Can I go now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Neha bikramanasosti pratyavayo na vidyate svalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat.
Very good. So now should we go with the 2.41? Keshvi's favorite verse.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so what we will do is we will do it all together first. Okay, so that if any pronunciations is there, we'll have it cleared up. Vyavasayatmika buddhir
Vyavasayatmika buddhir
ekaha kurunandana bahushakaya anantascha buddhayo vyavasayinam vyavasayatmika buddhir ekaha kurunandana bahushakaya anantascha buddhayo vyavasayinam. Very good. Keshavi, can you read the translation for us?
Yes, Mataji. Those who are on this path are resolute in purpose, and their aim is one. O beloved child of Kurus, the intelligence of those who are irresolute is many branched.
Mataji,
Yes.
actually, I wanted to say that I actually know the sloka with the translation also.
Very nice.
Memorized.
Very nice. Who is this?
Akshita.
Very good. So Keshavi, Rishikesh, Akshita, and Tulasi. Can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
Yes,
Mataji.
Mataji.
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि
एके
कुरुनन्दना बहुशाखायात्यजनन्तश्च
बुद्धयो
बुद्धिर्व्यवसायिनाम्.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji, you're frozen.
No, Mataji is frozen again. I mean, her screen is black now.
Hare Krishna. I'm
Hare
so
Krishna,
sorry.
Mataji.
Internet is giving me problem today. I don't know why. Okay. So Tulasi, Balavrinda, Rishikesh, and Akshita. Can you say this verse? 2.41. Everyone together. Yeah.
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि
एकः कुरुनन्दना बहुशाखायात्यजनन्तश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्.
Very good. Keshavi, Rishikesh. No, Rishikesh said, right? Keshavi, Raya Prahlad, Subhadra Giridhari. Can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji. Atmika buddhir ekaya kundana bahushakhahyantascha buddhaya vishwasayinam. Mataji, I already said the sloka. This is Keshavi.
Okay, very good. Then we have Anirudh, Vikhyat, Josh, and Rudra. Can you say it together?
Yes, Mataji. Vyavasayatmika buddhi ekeha kurunandana bahushakhahyanandasya buddhayo vyavasayinam.
Very good. Everybody, whose ever name I'm calling, say it together, okay? So that we can have everyone saying it. Nandini, Ojasvi, the second Subhadra, and Tanvik. Can you say it together? Nandini, Ojasvi, Tanvik. Are you there?
Yes, Mataji. Vyavasayatmika buddhir ekeha kurunandana bahusakahyantasya buddhayo vyavasayinam.
Very good. Ojasvi, it's your birthday today?
No, Mataji, yesterday was my brother's birthday.
Brother's birthday. Okay, and when's your birthday?
On November 1st.
Okay. Anybody on the group who had their birthday this week, or is it today or coming week?
My birthday was like last Wednesday.
Last
Mataji,
Wednesday, Anirudh?
Bhadra.
Yes, Mataji, it was
My
on the
mom's
3rd.
birthday is coming like next week.
Suraj's
Mataji?
birthday is next week. Okay.
No, my
Yes.
birthday is not next week.
2 weeks back.
Mataji, my birthday is not next week. My mom's birthday is.
Okay. Anirudh, when was your birthday?
My birthday was on the 3rd, like 1 week ago.
Okay, 3rd of March.
Mataji, my birthday is on June 14th.
Mataji, today's my mom's
Somewhere here.
My birthday is 2 weeks before.
When is Raya Prahlad? When is your birthday?
My birthday is 20th. January and birthday is same day.
On Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati's
Yeah, January's birthday.
Mataji, my mom's birthday is today.
Very good. Can you wish your mom happy birthday from all of us?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Raya Prahlad, I didn't hear you. When was your birthday?
Mataji?
Raya Prahlad?
My birthday was on February 20th.
Okay. Okay. You know what? We'll be sending a Google form.
Mataji, I want to tell you something.
Yes, Subhadra.
I was saying that my birthday is in next week. It's in next Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
What's your date? What's the date? Can you tell me the date?
Yes, Mataji, March 17 and it's on And it's
Yeah, we
on
will
the
find today. No, don't worry. March 17th. Okay.
March 17th is Wednesday.
next
Thank
one.
you. So after these verses, we will wish Anirudh a happy birthday. Okay. Okay. So back with our verse. So we have yes.
My dad's birthday is on March 18th, and it's on Thursday, next Thursday.
Oh, so let's see. Okay. If we are there, we will wish him a happy birthday on that day. Okay. Thank you, Rudra. Okay. So Rudra, Subhadra, Krishna Naina, and Anirudh. Can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिर् एकेह कुरुनन्दना बहुशाखा ह्यनन्ताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्.
Very good. So
Shakahi Anyascha Putiya again
Buddhayo Vyavasayinam.
Putiyo Visasayina.
Vyavasayinam. Okay, very good. So then we have who else is left? Suraj, Mukund, Manmai Krishna, Tanvik. Can you say it together?
Yes, Mataji.
Vyavasa.
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिरेकेह कुरुनन्दना बहुशाखा ह्यनन्तश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्.
Very good. Okay, now is there anyone who finds it difficult and wants to recite along with me? Can raise hands.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Manmai Krishna, we can do it.
Mataji.
Okay, Rudra, Josh, anybody else? And it's not a problem if we want to repeat it, because see, when we are doing it for as a revision, rather if we do it all together, that's more better, right? Okay. Vyavasayatmika buddhi.
Vyavisaka
बुद्धि
Ekaha
Ekaha
Kurunandana
Kurunandana
Bahushakha
Bahushaka
Bahushakaya Anantascha
Bahushaka Anantascha
Buddhayo
Buddhiyo
Vyavasayinam.
Vyavasayina.
Okay, can everybody say it together now? Everybody, okay? Vyavasayatmika buddhi
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिर्
ekaha kurunandana
एकः कुरुनन्दना
bahushakhaya anantascha
बहुशाखाश्च
buddhayo vyavasayinam.
बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्.
Very good. So we had the translation also, right? So we can go to the next verse. Okay. 2.44. You can see the new slide, right? Everyone?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So we can go with the 2.44 verse, okay? Everybody can say it together. Bhogeshwarya
Bhogeshwarya
prasaktanam.
प्रसक्तानां
Bhogeshwarya prasaktanam.
भोगेश्वर्य प्रसक्तानां
Dayapaharta
दयापहृत
chetasam.
चेतसां
Bhogeshwarya prasaktanam.
भोगेश्वर्य प्रसक्तानां
Dayapaharta chetasam.
दयापहृतेषां
Vyavasayatmika buddhi
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिर्
samadho na vidhiyate.
समाधौ न विधीयते
व्यावसायात्मिका बुद्धि
व्यावसायात्मिका बुद्धिर्
समाधौ न विधीयते.
समाधौ न विधीयते
Okay, again. भोगेश्वर्य प्रसक्तानां
भोगेश्वर्य प्रसक्तानां
दयापहर्त चेतसाम्
दयापहृत चेतसाम्
व्यावसायात्मिका बुद्धि
व्यावसायात्मिका बुद्धिः
समाधौ न विधीयते.
समाधौ न विधीयते
Okay, so we have Anirudh, Subhadra, Krishna Naina and Akshita. Can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
भोगैश्वर्य
भोगेश्वर्या
प्रसक्तानां
प्रसक्तानां
दयापहृतचेतसां
चेतसां व्यवसायात्मिका
व्यवसायात्मिका
बुद्धिः
बुद्धिः
समाधौ
समाधौ
न
न
विधीयते
विधीयते
समाधौ न विधीयते.
Very good. Who is Dhruva? Who is Dhruva? Because I haven't asked that person to say. Okay, Balavrinda, Anirudh, Rishikesh.
I had a chance.
You had a chance?
Yeah, I already had that. Oh, Bhogasarya. Okay.
Yeah. So Balavrinda, Anirudh. Who did I say? Balavrinda, Anirudh, Krishna Naina and Rishikesh. Okay, go ahead.
भोगैश्वर्य
प्रसक्तानां दयापहृतचेतसां व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः समाधौ न विधीयते
समाधो न
Vidhiyate. Okay, so then we have Keshavi, Ojasvi, Raya Prahlad and Rudra. Can you say it together?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Bhogeshwar Prasadanam Daya
Okay, now those who are saying it when the names are called out, the others who are there on mute, they can also say it, so that you will be saying those words so many times, right? Then you will memorize that verse. You know what? Who was? Yeah. What does Vaisheshika Prabhu say? That if you say this any verse 3 to 4 times in any of your textual contexts, or when you're talking to someone, that verse becomes yours. Suppose you are giving a class, or you are preaching, or you're telling someone. If you say that verse 2 or 3 times, or if you're remembering that verse and saying that with some context, that verse becomes yours. So such a beautiful way, right? Okay, Vikhyat, Suraj, Mukund, if he's there, can you say this verse? Suraj, Vikhyat.
Yeah, sure, Mataji.
Start. Suraj, why did you? Yeah.
Yeah, is it text 44?
Yes, 2.44.
Okay. Bhogaishwarya
Bhogeshwarya prasaktanam
prasaktanam
dayapahritachetasaam
vyavasayatmika
vyavasayatmika
buddhi
buddhi
samadho na vidyate.
Very good. Okay, so Tanvik and who else? Manmai Krishna and Keshavi. Can you say this verse?
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
Bhogeshwarya
Prasaktanam
Prasaktanam
Dayapaharta
Janatrahartna
Chetasam
Vyasasam
Chetasam
Yetasam
Vyavasayatmika
सांकेतिका
buddhi
बुद्धि
samadhau na vidhiyate.
समाधा
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 न
न
विधीयते
वदेयः
विधीयते
Vidhiyate.
वियते
Very good. Tulasi, did you say this verse?
Hare Krishna Mataji, sorry for interrupting. I finished my kirtan and I'm back.
Very good. So Mukund and Tulasi, can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji.
Yasayatmika buddhi samadho na vidhiyate.
Very good. Anirudh, can you read the translation for us?
Yes, Mataji. In the minds of those who are too attached to sense enjoyment and material opulence, and who are bewildered by such things, the resolute determination for devotional service to Supreme Lord does not take place.
Very good. Okay, everybody said this verse. Anybody left out can raise their hand.
Which verse, Mataji?
2.44.
Bogeshwari.
You said already.
I said.
Okay, so now we'll move to 2.45. Okay, so everybody will say it together. Traigunya Vishaya Veda
Nirdvando nitya sattvasto Trigunya
Okay, Mukund, can you read the translation for us?
Yes, Mataji. The Vedas mainly deal with the subject of the three modes of material nature. Rise above these modes, O Arjuna. I don't remember it anymore. Be transcendental to all of them. Be free from all dualities and all anxieties for gain and safety. And be established in itself. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah, when you know what, if you have to learn the translations, do a little bit of gestures with it, okay? The Vedas, like Vedas, then you can make it a hand up. You know what, let me come on video. Am I there on video? Oh,
Yes, Mataji.
okay. So see, like when you want to memorize some verses, do it in the morning, preferably in the morning. The second thing is add a little bit of gesture or a little bit of action to it, like Vedas, then you can have it as a book. The Vedas mainly deal with the subject of three modes. Okay. Three modes of material nature. Rise above these modes, O Arjuna. Okay, just make some gestures with it. Be transcendental to all of them. Be free from all the dualities of anxiety for gain and safety, and be established in the self. Some gestures which will help you to identify with the word. Okay, so we
Yes, Mataji.
okay, so Balavrinda, Krishna Nena, Anirudh, can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Trigunya Vishaya Veda Nistraigunyo Bhavarjuna Nirvando Nitya Sattvasto Niryoga Kshema Atmavan.
Thank you,
Very
Mataji.
good. Akshita, Akshita, Dhruva, I don't know who Dhruva is. Rishikesh, Akshita, Rishikesh, Keshavi, and Mukund. Can you say this verse together?
I said it, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Very good. Ojasvi, Subhadra Giridhari, and second Subhadra also. Can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji,
Yes.
are we going to do our craft later?
Yes, yes, we'll do it. Okay. Okay, Tulsi, Vikhyat, Suraj, and Tanvik. Where's Tanvik? I did not see Tanvik. Where he went? Tanvik is not there.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Triguna Vishaya Veda Nisra Gunya Arjuna Nirvano Nitasasvato Niryoga.
Very good. So, Manmai Krishna, Josh, can you repeat after me, or anybody else who wants to repeat after me are free to repeat after me, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Traigunya
Trigunya
Vishaya Veda
Vishya Veda
Nistraigunya Bhavarjuna Nirvandvo Nitya Sattvasto
Nityasatvasto
Niryogakshema
Niyogakshima
Atmavan.
Atmavan.
Very good.
Okay, thank you.
Everybody has said this verse, or anybody is remaining and they want to do it again? Okay.
Everybody send it.
Thank you.
Balavinda wants to do.
Did you say it, Balavrinda?
She said already, Mataji.
Okay. Okay, so then we had, 2.46. Okay. Okay, 2.46 and 2.59. Okay, so everybody can start it together. Yeah. Sorry?
How many shlokas are we going to learn today?
We have already learned these and we are revising over this.
These are the most quoted shlokas by Srila Prabhupada of the second chapter.
Yes. Okay, let's
Some
see
of
what
them.
time is it. What time is it?
Right now,
Mataji, it is 8:15. I mean, almost 8:15 or 7:15.
It's 8:12.
It's 8:12.
So we did 4 verses today, right?
Yeah, it's 8:12.
7:15.
Okay, so we did 4 verses today revision. So should we do the
Mataji, we
craft
did-
now?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, we'll do the craft now, and then
Yes.
we will do.
Mataji, I got my sheet of paper.
Okay, and then these, you know what? But these revisions we have to do again because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 verses more to do.
3 more verses to do.
Then we have this, Dhyayato Vishyam Pumsa, and then okay, so this we will have to do it again. So maybe, you know what, after another 2-3 classes, then we will do one day again revision. Is that okay?
Yes,
Mataji.
So what we will do is I'll stop share over here, and then we will have speaker view, and then we will get back to our.
Mataji, you were already on speaker view when you said speaker view.
Okay, so see, I had made a. What does this animal look like?
Cow.
A dog.
Cow. I thought that was a cow. A bird. A hummingbird.
Yes.
Mataji,
We can make any of these.
Mataji,
Yes.
Your voice is echoing.
Okay, if others can mute them,
Want out of the two things.
I'll show you one of them and then let's see how many we can do, okay?
I want to.
Okay, so what we will do is, see now, because we are doing it first time, if we have a little bit bigger paper, it helps us a lot, okay? You can have a small paper also, no worries. But we have already made a square, so we will take that square now and then we will start. And I hope I remember everything. What I did, because this origami sometimes
Could
can be
we
confusing.
shape the hummingbird differently so that we can make it whatever kind of bird we want?
I am not sure about that because origami itself is a little bit tricky for me. So
For
I
me,
try
it's
to do
not
it as much
really
as possible.
tricky.
It's not really tricky, right? If you practice it twice or thrice, then it's not tricky. I understand that.
Yes, Mataji, even I have noticed that.
I have like lots of origami, planes,
Yeah.
other things like planes, boats, all that
Right.
stuff.
Right. So these are a little bit more higher will go. Okay. So see, you can take a paper, you can make it into a triangle. Okay. First, what in origami, what they need is you need a proper markings because we are not using a pencil, we are not using a scale anywhere. So we need to have markings, and those markings we are going to make it by ourselves. So first make it a triangle, then open it up. Everybody is on the same page. Everybody can see me. Okay, let me first. Yeah. Okay. Then what we do is, then again take the other ends, open it and take the other ends and make a triangle.
Mataji, I don't understand. Is this with is this for like, oh, so.
Okay.
Wait, Mataji, can you
Now,
show that again?
So you just make like, you just do like that and open it up and then do it the other way.
yes.
Mataji, can you show it again? I accidentally turned on it. Mataji, can you show it?
So you need to take the paper and then fold it like that. And
Yes, Anirudh.
So can you show it again? I accidentally turned on airplane mode and then I lost connection with you.
Okay,
So I
so
had
do
to
you
turn
have
it off.
Do you have a perfect square of any paper?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so when you have a perfect square, just see to it that you are bringing into the edges and making a triangle. Open it up again and the second edges so that you have these markings with you. Okay. And then let me see what I have done in the further parts. Okay. Once that is done.
Is it like this, Mataji?
Yes, obviously. Very nice.
Mataji,
Yes.
Mataji, this is Keshavi.
Yes, Keshavi.
I won't be doing this because I came late. So can I like do it tomorrow? Like and
You
watch?
have any paper with you, Keshavi?
Is it like this? This is Shubhadra.
Yes.
They're in the other room.
Mataji, can I guess the next step?
Yeah. Next step is again you make it into a half.
Oh, Mataji, I thought it was like you do it like this.
Yeah, make it into a
Okay,
half.
Mataji.
You get markings, right? You take all the markings.
Mataji,
Then again open it and again make into half. Yes.
Mataji, how do we do the other room? Mataji,
Yes.
it's in the other room.
Any paper can work, Keshavi. Any paper, any your notebook paper, your printer paper, anything can work.
Mataji, I just skipped a few steps ahead.
Yes.
Mataji, this is Keshavi.
Yes,
Mataji,
Keshavi, go
I think
ahead.
I skipped
Once
a
you can
few
solve it.
steps ahead.
Yes. Then you can start continuing with that. Yes, Keshavi.
Mataji,
Yes, Keshavi.
Mataji, mine looks like this.
Where are you? Who's mine?
Mataji,
Very good. So you got this now?
Can you? Mataji, mine.
Yes, wonderful, wonderful. Now listen, now this is a little bit where you have to pay attention. Now what we are going to do is, see, these markings are there, right? So just we, okay, see, what we are going to do is, we will have to just put these ends inside, and then it becomes tricky at times, but then we are going to make it into a square. I always land up making
Mataji,
it.
that looks like
Yeah, let me show
Mataji,
you
can
the
you show that
perfect.
again? I'm not getting.
Mataji, it's in
Yes.
the Mataji. This is Keshari.
Okay, Keshavi, whenever you have it, you can do it. Okay, no worries.
Okay,
Mataji, I already have it.
It comes out like this.
How do we make it?
Yeah, let me see. I am
Ma-
also.
Mataji, I don't understand how to do it. I'm trying. I got it.
Don't worry. This you know what, origami is all about having patience. So we are all going to be in the same boat. Don't worry. Okay, you know what? Something always goes wrong, and I have to always open up this part and then check for it, because we have to, yeah, we have to make it into a, see, I have to open it up now. Because normally what we do is we will watch the video and then do it, right? So let me just figure it out. How did I do it so that I can tell you also. Okay, see, it should
Mataji,
come
I think
into
I
like
got
this.
I got it.
It should come into this shape when you are folding it.
Mataji,
Yes, Mataji, I got it now.
You got it? Let
Mataji,
me also
this
get
is
it.
Subhadra and Giridhari. I don't understand.
1 second, Subhadra Giridhari. We can.
Mataji, mine came into this shape, not like the shape you
Yes,
have.
that is a trick. You know what? That is a trick. What we have to do is, see, we have to put this inside, one edge inside, then the other overlapping it, and then it becomes into a triangle. But we have to make a square. So let me just figure it out. Wait, see, what we did is, this is there.
Mataji,
Then
I don't understand.
Mataji,
we
can
will
you show
figure
me
it
how
out.
it
Don't
turned
worry.
out
1
at the
second.
end?
Let me have. Yes,
Mataji,
Subhadra
I'm stuck
Giridhari.
at this part. What do we do from here?
We have to make it into a square. Did you get into a square?
No.
No, Mataji.
So try getting
Oh, wait,
into a square now.
I
See,
Mataji,
Did I do it?
see, when you fold it, I'll tell you what is the trick now. See, just make it into a square. You know what? We tried to do it, opened it up. Now just make it into a square.
Oh.
Oh, Mataji, I got it. I think. Is this it, Mataji?
Balavinda, don't scratch your head. It is just a square now.
Mataji, is it like this? This is Akshita. I don't know. Is this
Mataji, I
right?
did it
Suraj, did
wrong.
you get a square?
I got it.
Yes, now I
Take a seat,
understood.
Mataji. This is Akshita.
I
Fine.
understood.
Yes, Akshita, very good. A square, just a
You
square.
taught me
Akshita.
a good lesson to not skip ahead.
You know what? You know what is main important in origami? Make as many mistakes as you want. Why? You know, when you make that mistake, then you will not repeat that mistake again. So in origami, no matter how many mistakes you do, it is going to be for your betterment. Because then if you keep on doing Madhuri, next time when you try it again, you will remember, oh, when I did this mistake, I did not bet it.
Mataji, I'm still confused.
No, you know what? Just don't get confused, Mukund. Just open the paper
It's
and make
actually
it
not
into a
that
square.
hard, actually. Not that hard.
I couldn't understand that much.
Wait,
Yeah,
Mataji,
yeah, you did
Square.
like too many stuff.
Mataji,
You
I
made
did
it
it
into
this way. I did it
semi-triangle.
like this, and then I took it like that.
Mata-
That's all I did.
Nice
do
and
it.
right. Yes. Okay. Now see, listen.
I know how to do it.
Yes. So
Mataji,
I can't believe I couldn't get just this.
now listen. What are we going to do is,
I
see.
opened it and went like that.
Yeah. See, one flap which is there open, and there is a middle center line over here, right? So what are we going to do is, we are going to see. Did you see this? Bring this edge over it. Bring it over here, and then like this. Did you get it?
Mataji, this is Akshita. Is this the right angle or?
Yes, wonderful.
is this right? Because
Like this?
fold
Yes, that's right.
Mataji, so I have like two total over here. So from that I do.
Yeah, from that open edge is there. The open flap is there.
Is it like this?
Mataji, is this good?
Is this
Yes.
good,
Now
Mataji?
on the
Like this? Mataji, is it like this?
yes, let me see. Okay, what is happening
Balavrinda.
here?
Yes.
Yes, Balavrinda.
Is it like this?
It looks like.
Mataji, like this?
Let me see. Okay, let me
Mataji,
see.
is it like this? This is Shubhadra. Mataji, I think I'm doing something wrong.
Mataji, like this.
You're doing wrong.
Mataji, is it like this?
It's echoing, Mataji.
Mataji,
Okay, you know what?
this is Shubhadra. Is it like this?
No, wait, Subhadra. I'm going to tell you something which is going
This
to be
is
a little
Shubhadra and
bit
Giri
different.
Daddy.
Yes, you know what? Now what I'm going to tell you is open up your papers. Open up
Yes,
your papers
Mataji.
again. Okay.
Yes, Mataji. Yes.
Now open your paper like this.
Do it,
And
Mataji.
then-
I need do it.
Yeah. See, two sides, if you put it inside, any two sides, if you put it inside, then you get a square like this.
Mataji, I don't get
First,
that. How do you?
Before for this, you have to have the diagonals and everything markings properly done. Because of that, when you put any two ends inside,
This,
then
Mataji.
you put it-
Is it like this?
yeah, you have to put it inside. Then along all the markings, you have to fold it, and then you will get it like this.
Mataji,
Mataji,
you could have told this step last time. Last time you confused
thought
us
it
so
was just a
much.
square. It looked
Mataji,
like it,
is
but then
Mataji, I
if you
don't
make a
know, but
square,
is this right?
if you make a square, okay, you know what? Remember, just pay attention. If we make a square, we will not have all the sides free. So we need to make it into a diamond shape so that all our four sides are free. When Subhadra, it is not a square, right? See if all the sides are free.
Yes, Mataji. All the sides are free.
Mataji, only one side is like that.
Yeah, that is what. See, if you make a
Mataji, can
square,
you show me yours one more time? Like how it turned out, like where the free sides are, so I can look at mine.
see, it is like this.
Wait, where are the free sides?
One side is open, the second side is open, the third side is open, the fourth side is open.
I don't have it. How did you do that?
Yeah, you know what? That is one thing. So, see what? How do I tell you now?
Mataji, is it like
Did I do it right?
See, you know what?
Mataji, is it like this? Like
Mataji, is it like this?
this side open.
No, it is not like that, Kasuraj. Krishna Nena. See, just take the paper and we have made markings, right? So if you just pull the, see, there's a triangle, right? Okay, you know what? I'll tell you. Make it into a half.
Mataji,
Half.
This?
I made it into a half.
Okay. Now there are markings of triangle on your sheet because we had all the markings
Ah?
when you made it. So now these two flaps have to go just inside like this.
These two flaps. Oh wait, Mataji, now I got it. I think.
Only just inside and then one above the other.
I don't understand.
Okay. Inside, one above the other.
See, just this is a half we have done. And now see, you can see over here my triangle. You can see everyone. Just pay attention over here. You can see the triangle, the markings of the triangle on my paper.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
You just go along the triangle markings. And then if you put one above the other, it becomes into a diamond shape.
You just fold it like a book.
Yeah,
Wait,
see, I'm going to
Mataji,
do it
only
again
one
now.
side is coming for me, one side is only coming free.
For that, you know what, our markings have to be perfect. See, like this, when you do it, see, I'm going to show it with a new colored paper so that it becomes more easy for you. See, and then what we did all sorts of markings, right? The diagonal,
Yes.
the square. See, when we do all these markings, now over here you see this triangle, everyone, right?
Yes, Mataji.
So if we open this paper like this, and then you go along, see, this is there, then leave one and the another over here. See,
Wait, what?
did you get it, Ujasvi?
Uh,
See, what we did was we had it like this, okay? Then what we do is this end which is there, we have to push that end inside. See, we push this end inside, then we have one end over here, one end over here, and then all the ends which are there, they will just overlap on each other.
Mataji, I'm trying, but it's not happening.
You will get a triangle, okay? So when you are getting a triangle, try to change
I
it
get
into
the
a square.
shape.
Suraj, did you get it?
Yes, I did.
Very good, Subhadra.
Mataji, I got the shape, but I'm still not getting the.
You can see this now, right, Prahlad?
Mataji, where are the free sides?
Okay, see, I'm going to show it again. See, we make it into a half. Okay. When you make, see, Raya Prahlad, on your paper, you can see a triangle now. Look at your paper. You look at a triangle, you can see a triangle.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. So now when you just push this inside, it immediately takes a shape of this. See? You know what you do? You make all the ends properly first. See? All these nicely everywhere. All the diagonals and all these squares, everything nicely. Then
Mataji,
anywhere you push inside, it will just take this shape of this square, of this diamond.
Mataji, I get the shape, but where are the three sides? Like, where is the?
Four sides. See, this is one side which is open. This is another side which is open. This is the third side which is open, and the fourth side which is open. If
I'm
you make
trying what you told me, but I'm getting the shape, but I'm not getting the right amount of open sides.
Krishna, so should I show you the video?
Yes, Mataji, I'm tired of being confused.
Yeah,
Too much.
with me. Okay, let me
This is
see.
too much. Does it look like this?
Let me see. Okay, so what I'll do is share screen.